It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. You know, I'm just finishing up the Saturday newsletter. Tech for Senior has two newsletters, one on Tuesday and one on Saturday, and you can sign up for these at www.techforsenior.com. Today I'd like to do a deeper dive into our newsletter and show you the contributors and special links that we put into the newsletter to help you find your way around Tech for Senior. Let's have a look at the Tuesday newsletter first. All right, let's have a look at our Tuesday newsletter. This is our newsletter for the 8th of March 2022, the one I sent out last week. So if we look at the top, we'll see, of course, our newsletter. Just below that, you'll see the web address. So if you want to go to our website, you click on this, and this will take you right to Tech for Senior's website. Right under the heading, I often put in this dark space here, I put upcoming events, important events, and Ray did a great job last week on a Windows tip, so I put the link to the tip right here. So you just by clicking this, you can see that this is going to take you right to Ray's tip.
Okay, good morning, folks. Today I'm going to cover some more Windows tip.
So again, you can go right to the tip, and that's usually right up in here. Now, for all of those who can't find our meeting, you've deleted the email, you're in a panic, it's time for you to come to the meeting. And where is the meeting? I have here in big bold letters, click here to join our Zoom meeting. So let's just click this. And this, of course, will give you all the information. I'm not going to go ahead with this in opening in Zoom, but you just click this, and again, you're right into the Zoom meeting. And that is the link that's right under the this box with the latest information. Now, as we move down, you'll see that if you would like to support us and donate, then you can just click on this link, which will take us right to our webpage. And if you want to make a donation, you certainly can. Now, as we come down here, you will also see a link to our show. So if you are panicking again, you want to come to Tech for Senior Live, you don't know where it is, or you want to come to our channel, all that you have to do is click this link. This is the link that will take you right to our YouTube channel. And here we are.
Ron Brown with Tech for Senior.
Here we are right at our channel. You can see all our Tech for Senior episodes here. Sorry, you can see our Chromebook videos that I've made here. You can see our Learning Chromebook series videos that I have made, Tech for Senior Productions, and of course Hewie Starlink Report. All these are again on the channel. If you come over here, you can see all the videos that we produce. There's over 500 of them, and that's for our Tech for Senior. So let's come back over now, and again, that is just the link. So if you ever are trying to find something, you want to come to the show, simply click the link. Now here is what I put in, and this is the purpose of the newsletter. This is the link to Monday's show. So you'll see that the date here is March the 7th. We click this, and this will take you.
A show on Thursday called Tech for Senior Live, and we have a podcast. So we're a busy group of people.
And here we are.
I would like to.
And that will take you right to our show. This, of course, is updated in each Tuesday's newsletter. Now, as we come down, again, I've put in this section, I've put the meeting info. So if you, again, want to come to the meeting, this is another, you can click here, or I've given you here I've given you the meeting ID. And this, of course, never changes. If you want to come down further, you'll see that if you want to look at all the Tech for Senior episodes, this is the playlist. You just click that button, and this will bring up all the Tech for Senior episodes That's called a playlist, and that's for here. You'll see this is our Tech for Senior Live playlist. Click on this button, and this will bring up all our Thursday shows. And Tech for Senior Productions is, of course, all the productions that we do outside the show, and you'll see, click that, and then you'll see a list of all the productions that we do. As we come down, you'll see, of course, this is our Learning Chromebook series that Hewie and I do once a month. Again, if you click this link, this will bring you to all the past episodes. And if you want to sign up for the Learning Chromebook, you just have to click this button. And this, again, will take you right to the sign up page. As we move down the list, you'll see Bob has a regular section in our Tuesday newsletter. Of course, Bob gives the security news roundup each week at our show. He also includes in the newsletter some security information for you. In last Tuesday's newsletter, these were 4 tips to help you avoid falling for phishing scams. Bob always creates for our Tuesday newsletter some security information for you to help protect against the bad guys. As you know, Bob is not just a security expert, but he does a lot of videos about Windows 10 and 11. Bob has a very large YouTube channel, and if you click this link here, this will take you right to his YouTube channel, and these are all the videos that he has produced. As we move down, you'll see Ray's section here in our Tuesday newsletter. Now, as we come down the list, you'll see his last music section was Faith Hill. Many of you have requested that we make available the written narration of what he has to, the written narration that occurs before the music starts. This, of course, is found in this section, and this is the narration that Ray reads prior to us playing the video. The last Tuesday was, of course, on Faith Hill. As you come down, you can actually listen to the video clip by clicking this button here. And as we come up and look just above here, the playlist for all Ray's songs is right here. So if you click this button here, this will take you right to the playlist. And these are all Ray's songs that he has done over the past year or even 2. You can simply click this link and it will play 3, 4, 5 hours of all the music Ray has done for our show. It's all here right in this list. So just click that link, it's there for you, and you'll be able to listen for a very long time. And then as you come down, you'll see the third contributor on our Tuesday newsletter is Bill James. And he, of course, writes about different gadgets. Now, in this article, Bill is talking about liquid plastic. He gives a history of how bonding actually started and some of the crazy things that we've done. And as you come down, you'll see all his narration, and you come right down to the bottom. And of course, you'll see the link to the website where you can purchase this. We'll click this, and it should take us right to a Amazon website, and you can purchase the UV liquid plastic welder. Pretty cool. And of course, Bill does this once a week. All right, so this is our Saturday newsletter. This is a little bit different than the Tuesday. So let's have a look at the format. So at the top, you'll see again, it says, of course, it's Tech for Seniors newsletter. And if you click on our website, you, of course, will get our website. I have included the same sticker. Click here to join our Zoom meeting. Again, if you forget the Zoom ID and forget where to go, you just simply click this button here, and that will take you Let's right to the Zoom meeting. Now, as we come down, there is a button here. Click this button to go to our past show. If you want to see all our past shows, again, this takes you to the playlist that has all our past shows in the list. But what is new on this section is all the videos that I've made to explain how to travel around to different parts of Tech for Senior. One of my worries is that with 500 videos, 2 shows, and all the other projects that we're doing, people will have a hard time finding their way around. So I've made a number of videos to help you navigate Tech for Senior. The first one here, and these are the links to the videos. So it says, confused about how to find things on Tech for Senior. And I do get emails about people, I don't know where to go. And so the first one would be finding your way around Tech for Senior. This is a video, I'm going to play you a little clip on this in a minute. Searching our index, in other words, how to find, if you want to search all our shows and find something you're specifically looking for, this is a good one. Finding past episodes. I will tell you that I have put the playlists in both newsletters, so you should be able to find what you're looking for the past episodes. How to watch Tech for Senior on YouTube. A lot of people don't know where YouTube is, how to find it. Again, this will explain how to watch our show on YouTube. On Thursday, on Tech for Senior Live, we do a live show through StreamYard. Now, many people, of course, log in on Thursday to our Zoom meeting. And no, it's not a Zoom meeting. It's broadcast through StreamYard. And this explains that. So let's have a look and see what happens navigating Tech for Senior. Good day, it's Ron Brown with Tech for Seniors. You know, with over 200 videos uploaded last year, 2 shows a week, and a whole bunch of Tech for Senior productions this year, it can sometimes be hard to find what you're looking for. So let me explain how to do this. It's going to be really simple. All right, so let's talk about Tech for Senior. We have 3 different sections. We, of course, have our Monday show, which is produced through Zoom. This is a weekly show. It's 1 hour. It starts at 9 o'clock Pacific time and runs with a question and answer at the end. The second show we produce is called Tech for Senior Live. This is not a Zoom broadcast. This is a StreamYard broadcast that is broadcasting directly to Facebook and to YouTube. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But this is a live production, as the Monday show is, but we're doing this through a different medium called StreamYard, not Zoom. And of course, the third area is all the videos we produce through the year, Tech for Senior Productions, and we produce a lot of videos. So how do you find these? How do you organize them? So if you follow down, you'll see I have the agenda listed. This is a new feature. It's been present for about the past couple of months. I was initially a bit apprehensive about this because I thought if people didn't find something interesting, they wouldn't come. So far, our shows are mostly full, so I'm not too worried about it. So we do put the agenda in on what we'll be talking about. This comes out, of course, in the Saturday newsletter. Now, I want to draw your attention to our premiere event. I often talk about our premiere event, and this is the it's free. And what I do is I go and I take the information from a year ago and create a edited version so that you can use this for your clubs. And these are the topics, and there's no intro or extra in this. They're simply clips for your club. They're all well categorized that you can download and use for your club. Now, to find out how to get there, I put the link in the newsletter. So click this and it will take you right to our Premiere service. But remember, it will not start till 10:30 Pacific time. Again, coming down, if you want to head over to our YouTube channel where you can see our live stream shows. This is the link. And again, coming down to the same info that was in our Monday show was listed here. Just a reminder, I also put in our Learning Chromebooks. If you want to sign up for that, please just click the button and it will take you right to the sign up page. On Saturday, Hewie puts his articles in. Hewie, of course, has a very active website, hewie.net, and this is Hewie's article that came out this Saturday. And we come down, and Dewey Kloos, I put his video last week. He explained Wi-Fi and mesh routers. So this is a link. You just click this link, and you'll be playing Dewey's video. And then at the end of the newsletter, you'll find, of course, an article by myself. And this article today was on Google Live, transcribed, now available offline. You can read about this service. You can read about this service. In fact, I'm going to be doing a video about Live Transcribe. This is great for people with hearing problems. Now, if you come down and you want to send us a note to Tech for Senior, here is our email address, admin@techforsenior.com. You can send us a note there if you want to comment on anything. And if you are really unhappy with 2 newsletters a week, you don't feel that you want to read that or it's spam, then you can just click the button down below here and you can unsubscribe from the list. Well, that's a deeper dive into our 2 newsletters. It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. You remember that like and subscribe thing? We'd sure appreciate it. Till we meet again, have a great day.